Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, about 10 minutes ago, the FedEx driver knocked on my door and delivered this package. So I literally just took it out of the box, but I did not look at this yet. I just read this letter, so I wanted to turn the camera on and experience this together. This is the return of the CRKT Shock, okay, XOC, pronounced shock. This was their, huge overbuilt, very expensive, which, stands out, of course. But this was their like beast folder, right? Beast mode. And when this hit the scene, everyone was quite shocked by it. But very soon after its release, it was extremely limited, only sent to certain people and certain companies. And then there was apparently an issue with, I think the stop pins, all right, where someone had them break. So, CRKT wanted to be very consistent in making sure that this was a very strong design. So they basically recalled them. They sent out prepaid labels for everyone to send them back and fix them and get them back. So we're going to open this together, experience this together. First I want to read this letter that was accompanied with this knife. Starts with a quote, says, "The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty." Winston Churchill. Very deep quote there. Says, "This quote comes to mind as we are resending you this sample of the new Columbia River Knife and Tool Shock. We've rectified the thumb stud issue on the knives, and we are pleased to be able to return the sample to you with full confidence. At CRKT, we aren't afraid to push the envelope, get out of our comfort zone, and try something completely different. It's that ethos and unwavering commitment to innovation that drives us every day. Oftentimes that results in a first pitch home run. Other times we've got to grind it out and in the pursuit of excellence. In this instance, we look at the incident with the shock as an opportunity to stand behind our products and illustrate our commitment to you and the marketplace. Our intention with this knife was to showcase the incredible new deadbolt locking mechanism, and that objective stands deadbolt is one of the strongest locking mechanisms in the industry has ever seen, and the shock was purposely overbuilt to be the heaviest duty knife CRKT has ever created. In keeping with our original intent, please use and abuse the shock and let us know what you think. As an industry professional, content creator, and influencer, we proudly consider you part of the inner circle. Your thoughts carry weight with us. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out." So, yes, let's check it out. Looks like I was number 23 in line here. All right, still has the original wrap, which is really cool. I like this thing, actually. Smells great. Like that leather smell. All right, so here's the knife. I don't have any way of knowing if this is the one I sent. Probably. I definitely trust in the company. So yes, I said stop pin. It's the thumb stud, which doubles as a stop pin on the top of the frame here. Keeps it from over traveling. Then of course we have the deadbolt locking mechanism. So I mean, I had, ooh, that's not good. Why is there a little blade play? All they did was replace these thumb studs. They're ambidextrous thumb studs, but they double as the blade stop. I mean, you guys hear that, right? The lock not locked up all the way? Oh, wow. Okay, that definitely, all right, that's weird. Okay, so we're experiencing this together. So the deadbolt lock pushes in, okay, obviously. When I'm opening this knife, at first I felt a little blade play. You can hear it. Just a touch up and down. All right, let me confirm it is up and down. Yeah, there's like a hair side to side and a hair up and down. But when I pushed on the back of the lock here, and it really didn't need much pressure, just kind of tapped it. I mean, it's like a bank vault now. And in no direction, there's no side to side, and there's no up and down at all. Just from a little push on that lock. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, this obviously disengages it. You can see it pushes through. Maybe they need a stronger spring. It doesn't seem like it's weak or anything, but I mean, a heavier duty spring in the lock mechanism itself would, you know, push that down so I don't have to obviously do it myself. You're not supposed to. It's not part of the design to push on the back of the lock. Just happened to fix that. Let's see if I open it a little bit harder. All right. No. You guys hear that, right? So let's give this just a little boop, just a little push. That literally rectifies it. Feels like a bank vault. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and use this like I originally intended to. I didn't want to baby this. I'm actually gonna go out and use it. When I first got it, I started using it. I did not have this issue when I first got it. It locked up beautifully. So like I said, I mean, I'm assuming I got the same one back. I don't see why I'd have someone else's. But that's weird, because all I did was replace the thumb studs. That's what they're saying, is all they did was take this out and put some new ones in that didn't break. Because someone opened it, I guess, you know, from slamming it open or something, it broke or cracked or something. That was the issue. But I don't see how pushing this lock in, like for example, if they put new thumb studs in and it didn't line up right or something, that might create a little play, but pushing the lock wouldn't change that. So I don't think it has to do with these thumb studs. I think it just has to do with the lock, you know, engaging like 99.9% of what it's supposed to do. And then me by pushing it just a tiny bit, it's, you know, 100% lockup. Does that make sense? I don't know. This is a weird issue. Obviously, not what I expected. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with this. Like I said, I'm going to talk to CRKT. I'm going to contact them. I'll link them to this video, you know, so they can see what's going on here. To the best of my guess, it just seems like it needs a stronger spring in the lock so that when it's open, the spring pushes it completely down, so I don't have to push it with my thumb. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, either way, I will continue to use this knife. I don't know if by using it, it will make the situation worse, or maybe it'll fix itself. I really have no idea. So I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.